My name is Mario, and we're building the Ellington floor plan in Tucson Village. Touring the homes was really fun, getting to go inside actual homes of the design and other floor plans to see what we were actually going to get and what it would look like in person. And that also kind of went with picking out the colors and different fixtures because we could get to see a lot of those in person and see what they would really look like. I've enjoyed our design studio process because of all of the options we did have and getting to, again, see stuff in person instead of online on a website. And we got to choose a lot of options.
And change
a lot of options based on seeing them in other homes and just one of the model homes we were even picking them in. Shaw Homes was at the top of our realtors list, and also the incentives that they offer was fantastic, especially compared to other builders in the area. And the price range of homes available was, I think, better than a lot of the other builders that we had around here. What I would say to someone considering to build with Shaw Homes would be enjoy the process. It's a lot nicer and calmer than having to buy in the used market that we're in right now.